Today, we're exploring Auslan, Australian Sign Language through emotions, with Twinkle's Auslan Emotions poster pack, perfect for teachers, parents, and anyone wanting to help children express their feelings in a fun, visual way. Hold one hand flat like a plate, with the other hand start in the middle of the plate and move it up in a smile shape 2 times. Hold your hand beside your face with fingers pointing up. Slide your hand straight down your cheek like a falling teardrop. Make a thumbs up with both hands. Move them up and down in front of your chest, one after the other, like your whole body is jumping with excitement. Point both index finger down in front of you and quickly shake them side to side. Place your fingertips on your chest. Quickly pull your hands back a little, like something just made you jump in surprise. Place your fingertips near your mouth, then move your hand forward and down while opening your finger. Hold your hands in fists near your chest and shake them slightly, like you're shivering because you feel cold. Make a thumbs up with one hand and hold it in front of you. Place your hand near your stomach, palm in, move it up toward your face while curling your fingers. Hold your index finger and thumb near the side of your mouth and move them sideways. Great job! Now you know 10 Auslan signs for emotions. Keep practicing and see if you can use them in your day to share how you feel without saying a word. And if you want even more fun, teachers made Auslan resources, head to Twinkle. You'll find posters, activities, and games. Keep your learning going. Check them out and start signing today.